Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the sturdy Calody baby playpen replacement connector set today. This essential kit includes 16 total connectors featuring 4 unique types for your specific assembly needs. Each piece has a special button to make sliding steel pipes in or out very simple. The bottom connectors feature powerful suction cups to keep your child's play area stable and safe. These parts are designed specifically for the Calody playpen to ensure a perfect and secure fit. You can install these quickly without any tools to keep your baby's large play space sturdy. Every set comes with a 12-month warranty for your complete peace of mind and support. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.